Hello, good evening. Okay, hold on. Let me share. Let me share the links first. Okay. So meanwhile, okay, also need your help lah to share around so that we can get more viewers. Okay, in our last few session lah. Okay, hold on. Okay, can. Okay, let me see. Hello. Yip Jun Yo, okay, CMSB, BWYS, okay, SETHSSEB from Zhou Shenzhen. Hello, Jordan, like and share, okay, thank you. HSI 9988, WCT, Emerald CB, VTrox. Hello, Ami Taba, okay, Saipak, Emulus, Gintech. Okay, 来都来了 Okay, 3 人 Emerald CB, Jaya Tiasa. Hello, Kelvin, Gadang, no problem. Hello, Anthony. Okay, S1, S2, R1, R2, Jetrix, Jetrix, new name for my EG. Okay, so Gtronic, well cheap. Okay, Lim KL Lim, TC Chong, okay, T Chong, okay, Tan Chong, okay, Tenaga Carlsberg from Sulan, okay, and Choi Liang, okay, Upmore, Pekat UUE, okay, Oma, okay, CloudPoint, SCG Berhad. Okay, today S10 under 10. Okay, we see lah. We see. I try my best since already consider okay potentially my last 2 session with Sifu. So yeah, we try lah. We answered all your question. Okay, so yep. Today content. Let's warm up with the US market. Oinco cryptocurrency and FBMK LCI. Okay, just a quick review lah. Then we follow with the stocks Q&A. Let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you are looking for support or resistance. And disclaimer: all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation, or are just for education purposes. Okay. One thing yeah, I need your help to maybe put a review in the Sifu page lah, the YouTube. Okay, at least we can leave some good memories in their reviews. Okay, and also if you yet to follow or subscribe to my YouTube, okay, you may find this name okay in my YouTube and subscribe lah. Maybe one day I will consider do a live session in my channel. Okay, maybe one day lah. Hopefully got sponsor lah one day. Okay. So let's warm up with the US market first. Okay, so far US market so far so good. Dow Jones approaching the a major resistance, which is a 45k. Okay, and based on current scenario and sentiment, I think they do have high chance to break above 45k and go even higher. So USI is so far is still bullish. Okay, until one day they break below 44k, baru different story. Otherwise, still very bullish. Okay, and same to the S&P weekly close all-time high again. Okay, they already almost close all-time high for a couple of weeks already lah. Okay, this morning because of the European Union and also the US trade deal done already lah. So market a little bit bullish in the early morning. So the futures they jump up, and now is on the small profit taking activities. Okay, we still don't know whether later US market open they will push up again or not lah. Okay, Nasdaq as well. Today open gap out and they also create new all-time high. Okay, so far market is still bullish until they break below a certain crucial level for Dow Jones. I will see 44k lah. Breakdown maybe they might have a reversal, and same to the S&P 6001, Nasdaq. Tentatively I will put 22.5k lah. Okay, so if they break down, maybe market may have a deeper or bigger correction. Okay, so how about the oil price? Okay, for me, oil price remain weak, but they are still at the support $65-$64. Okay, take note, this is a crucial support for WTI. If they break down, then we may see oil crash down lah. If they stay, okay, oil at least now is stabilized first lah. Okay, how about the gold price? Okay, gold price last week unable to clear the 3,400. Okay, 3425, 3450. So they got rejected. Okay, so far, okay, for this week, 10 on 3280. Okay, if they can stay, gold still got chance. If they break down, then go bye-bye already lah. Okay, so and also this Wednesday second half, okay, which is a Thursday already lah, they do have a FOMC Fed rate, okay, Fed rate and also the press conference. So most likely the rate will be unchanged, but if they cut the rate, market will have another bull run, okay. But if they unchanged, is within our expectation lah. And the press conference is more important because this decide the futures movement, whether they want to cut or not, which most market will speculate on September lah, the high probability lah. Okay, so how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin so far weekly closing bullish. Okay, I can say so far they are supported very well at 116k and they do have a chance to continue to spike out. So long they are staying above 116k, I will say Bitcoin is still bullish. And same to Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum currently, okay, this week closing, okay, last week closing are considered bullish, but they are at the resistance. Okay, so 10 note 3009 and 4000 as a crucial resistance. Okay, if they can break, we may see a skyrocket on the Ethereum, but if they are unable to break, we may see another sideways movement for Ethereum. And how about our FBMK LCI? Okay, last week closing I would say is neutral at least. Okay, they are trying to supported by the 1525. So in my opinion, KLCI is still alright. Stay above 1525 should be okay. Okay, the only thing they need to clear is a 1540. Okay, once they can clear, maybe we may see more upside on our FBMK LCI lah. So far I don't see any bad news lah. So I think they will either sideways or go up lah, tentatively. Okay, what I see on the current market sentiment. Okay, so yep, let's go for, let's see stocks Q&A. So the first one is a CMSB. Okay, today macam not good. Okay, today no good. Okay, so they also hit stop loss already. Okay, as you can see on Thursday, they have a good price action pump up. Friday is still alright. Okay, Friday for me is neutral. But today what happened? They closed down with high volume. They break below two crucial level. One is a 130, another is a 128. So for me, consider tak begitu cantik already. Okay, unless the next 2 days they can recover back minimum 128. Okay, then baru ada story. Otherwise tak cantik already. Okay, so if you based on here, you can see previously this was a resistance right? Resistance So they break out. Now they come back retest. Okay, but when they retest, the floor already broken down. So for me, okay, back to square. No game lah, tentatively. Okay, for the breakout trade, consider fear. Unless tomorrow or Wednesday, they can recover back above minimum, okay, 128. Okay, best case scenario is a 130 lah. Okay, then maybe still ada chance continue to rallying lah. Okay, for this breakout fear, maybe they might come back down to 120 level, continue sideways. Okay, for the total no game is when the price below same lah. Okay, total no game is when the price below 115. Okay, so tentatively breakout trade strategy fear. Okay, then but if you are mid-term, long-term holder, still got game lah, unless they break below 115. Okay, how about the BWYS? Okay, so far so good. Okay, but these counters you can see they are quite a new counters as last year July 22nd. So today also July so means 1 year anniversary only, right? So since IPO first few days, they pumped down already. Sideways, wash down. So means these counters since they born they sideways downtrend, clear everyone for about 1 year lah, nearby 1 year lah. So since May onwards the structure started to build up. Okay. So previously these counters they are quite low liquidity, but based on current structure, they do have some volumes especially you can see 28, 29 of May, no volume again. Then 22nd, 1 year anniversary, 22nd July and 23rd of July, volume improve, and they do have a breakout above 220. So short term point of view, including today, okay, they has a volume. So based on the structure, price action, momentum, okay, they are quite they are quite, how to say, bullish buyers. Okay, they are quite okay for short-term trend. So tenor on 220 is your immediate support because this was a resistance, right? So above 220, short-term momentum should be good. Okay, and below 220 then susah sikit. And if happen they go below 20 cents, yeah, no game already lah, sudah habis lah. Okay, so short-term momentum, short-term opportunity, yes, they do have. Hopefully they don't break 220, break down tak cantik already. Okay, if happen they can go up further. I refer back to previous resistance, 260, 270. Okay, so let me put some remarks lah. So you still can refer. Just BO, watch out 220 as support. Okay, I put in the remarks later, you can see in the Telegram lah. So HSSEB, okay, previously got volume. Last week volume indeed not bad, especially Wednesday. Okay, as you can see, Wednesday they got a volume breakout above 560. Thursday, okay, try to break, not successful. Friday, try again, not really touch. But today you can see they attempt to break out 640. Okay, they do try to pump up lah, but by end of day they gonna press down, closing 630. Okay, looks like the breakout is still not successful yet. So yeah, don't give out yet. Maybe we can see 60 cents level. Okay, if they come back, retest 60 cents and get supported, maybe still got chance for second attempt to break 640. But if they go below 60 cents, then momentum tak cantik already lah. Okay, SET are yet to cover. Let me see. Also quite a new counters, January only, so about 6 months like that only. Okay, yeah, attempt breakout on 9th of July, but not successful. Okay, breakdown already. Okay, today, yeah, they do have volumes, they do have a price session, but still unable to clear 275. So for this SET, they need to go above 275 baru ada story. Otherwise, they may remain sideways lah. Okay, so yep. Next one, okay, yeah, need your help to share this video and also like this video lah. Especially in the Facebook. We need more people to view, like, share in our in the Sifu page lah. And also, if possible, yeah, later you can come to the Sifu page to leave some comment or reviews. Okay, we keep some sweet memory over there. Okay, so HSI, let's see. Okay, so far so good, but if you base on this, okay, if you base on the uptrend channel resistance, okay, this is a how to say, the uptrend channel I have been drawing for quite some time already. Okay, and if you look back on recent performance, okay, you can see Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and today Monday. Okay, looks like they macam a little bit resisted by 25.6k. Okay, 25600. Okay, looks like a little bit resistant lah. Okay, if they are unable to clear above, they might come back down low. Okay, this is what I see lah. Because now at the resistance already. Okay, if they retrace down, still okay, because okay, this counter is still this index this HSI they are still in the uptrending. Okay, just that maybe they already overbought. Maybe they need to retrace to maybe 25.4k, or another is here, 24.4k. Okay, yeah, I'm expecting if they test another few days still unable to go through 25.6k, then I think likelihood they might revisit either here or here. Okay, but yeah, even they come down, for me is a healthy retracement. Okay, just like what happened here, they come back down here, come back down here, come back down here. Okay, so if unable to go through, yeah, maybe they will come here or come here. Okay, but they are still in the uptrend. So for me, it's still okay. Just that maybe now a little bit toppish. They need some time. Okay, they need some rest. Okay, how about the 9988? So far so good lah. No problem. Yeah, I think maybe you miss out on the first breakout on 15th of July, okay, when they break 110, 108, breakout, retrace today, jalan, retrace today, jalan again. So at the moment, they are still good lah. Short term point of view, they are still good. Maybe I will put 117 Okay, 10 knot so long above 117. I think short term momentum is still there. And I'm seeing the gap resistance here. Okay, they have a gap down on 16th of May, right? Somewhere around 126.7 now. Okay, if you want to round out, you can put 126 to 129 is the resistance for 9988. Okay, so next one. Okay, let's go back to Malaysia counters, WCT. Still okay leh. Okay, so as you can see, WCT, they has been struggle at the 200 MAs for quite some times already. Okay, looks like tak boleh, tapi still boleh. Okay, still boleh. So as mentioned before, 760, 740 is a crucial support. Okay, and today market with volumes. Okay, spike out other volumes. Okay, today they do tell us some story. Okay, 80 cents. Okay, a bit resisted here. Okay, but it's still okay for me. Fightable as long as they don't break 740 lah. Don't break 740, still fightable. But hopefully they can clear 80 cents lah. Okay, once clear 80 cents, they will consider a breakout, and next level maybe another 10% maybe to the 875. 90 cents level already. Okay, if they can clear lah. Okay, so based on here, you can see your reward. Okay, your reward is here, your risk is here. So okay, still acceptable. Okay, below then you take maybe trading stop or cut loss lah. If they break out, then it's a good signal lah. Then we may see more upside. Okay, so 875 90 cents will be the next resistance. So WCT, we see if can be Okay, next one, MRCB, Mr. Coffee Bean. So far so good, still okay lah. Okay, MRCB is still okay. Let me put here. So you can see 525, 535 is a support. Okay, today volume improved. Okay, jalan sikit, although didn't jalan much, but at least proven that this price action has a volumes. Okay, the buyer is strong for today, so it's still okay lah. So for MRCB, as long as above 525, I am still positive with the short-term movement. Okay, just that we don't know how long they want to wandering around here. Okay, and think on the next resistance now, 575 and 60 cents level. So MRCB, maybe we say need to stay above 525 lah. Okay, put in the remarks. So yeah, maybe the upcoming weeks, you without me, you guys still can take note. Okay, refer to the notes lah. Okay, VTROX, performance not bad leh. Okay. Previously, I think when I reviewed, they was still below 350 like that lah. Long time no see already. Okay, now they are doing well. Okay, especially Friday, they have a volume breakout above 375. Okay, today a small profit taking activities, but for me it's still alright. Okay, at least they are recovering very well. Okay, based on what I see here. So, take note on the next resistance. 420 like that. And maybe 450 would be your R1, R2, and ultimately 5 ringgit. Okay, this one overshoot a bit until 580, but we see maximum until 5 ringgit. But based on the movement, it's okay. Maybe due to discounters a little bit costly, so yeah, the volume will be difficult to detect lah. Okay, not much volume punya. Okay, once a while they come out with volumes lah. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday they do have volumes. Today's more profit taking activities lah. Okay, since they just BO 375, then you see any chance when they retest 375, nearby 375, any chance, okay? Any chance they get supported. Okay, just BO pending retest support. Okay, so 375 plus minus lah. Okay, next one. SIPAC. Wow, this SIPAC actually on Friday they have a very ugly sell down. Okay, when they break below 870, they break below 830 with volume as well. But yeah, at least today they made a good recovery. Okay, volume boleh tahan lah. More than about half of Friday's seller volume. So for me, it's still okay. So if you combine both candle, this looks like what? A little bit hammer like candle lah. So seems like okay, 830 is a proven support. Okay, even though Friday they try to break down lah. Okay, and one thing, yeah, lucky thing they didn't break 200 MAs as well. So for me, since they have a recovery, so I will put down a little bit to 820. So make sure they stay above 820, then the game is still on. Okay, if they go below 820, no game lah, huh? So SIPAC. Let me put a remarks. Okay, must stay above 820 lah. Otherwise tak begitu cantik. Okay, how about the Emulus? Okay, Emulus still okay. MACD a little bit weak lah. Okay, but they yet to give a confirmation. Okay, so if you look into the, let me delete this lah. Okay, if you see back in 14th of May, they have a breakout 255, then they sideways. Okay, now they are still sideways. Okay, the only little concern is about the bearish divergence. Okay, a little bit weak. Okay, not really divergence, but you can see the high is getting lower. Okay, this is a little bit weakening punya signal lah. Okay, here also they have a big sell down, high volume. Okay, but they are still trading within the range lah. So for this case, Emulus, you take note on 255. Okay, stay within 255. 255,310. They are still considered sideways, but breakdown tak cantik already. Okay, so take note lah. Okay, how about the Genitech? Genitech tak cantik lah. Genitech no game yet. Very ugly. Okay, break 860, break 80 cents. Next level 685 already. Tak cantik. Okay, so Mayday. Okay, escape this one first. Wait until they has a clearer picture. Okay, how about Triren? Okay, Triren since mid July until now, actually they has a quite consistent volume pump in. Okay, not consistent. I would say the average volumes is improving lah. Okay, compared with May June era. Okay, recently the volume is improving, but okay, momentum still ada. Okay, but they yet to break out here lah. Okay, we can say this is a so-called not so nice, but we can say this is a so-called triple bottom already. Okay, if they can clear 290, okay, clear above 290, then this will be a triple bottom breakout, and market may have a reversal. Okay, so today they has a volume. Okay, they has a price action, but breakout not so successful lah. So this one, maybe we can say put in our watch list or pending for triple bottom BO. Okay, once breakout, stable above, then maybe market will come already. Okay, so wait lah for signal. Okay, Jaya Tiasa already out for just now MRCB we covered already, so we go for the Jaya Tiasa. Okay, Jaya Tiasa has been up for so many days lah. Today more on I would say more on retracement, maybe to 118 to 115 level. But I think CPO price also macam biasa. Yeah, CPO price also hit the resistance. I think they might need to retrace a bit lah. So maybe the sentiment for Jayathiasa also about the same lah. So maybe take note on 118 to 115 is your support zone. Okay, okay, let me see. Jet trick. Okay, this one for me is ugly already lah. Since they already broken down one of the crucial support. Okay, I think this also driven. Okay, the breakdown also driven by the news lah. Okay, they break down below 875 already. So based on here, what we can see. Okay, based on here. Okay, 9th of April. Okay, 9th of April they have a gap up. Oh, sorry, 10th of April they have a gap up. So here they has a gap yet to fill. So for me, your immediate support is 755. Okay, if we zoom out and we draw 755 just in conjunction here also for me, 755, 754 would be one of the crucial support. Okay, another is 70 cents already. Okay, S1, S2. And the resistance definitely 875 lah. And 90 cents is a resistance zone. Okay, so how about G-Tronic? Yeah, if can, you just write down because how to say no more live session already. So write down last 2 sessions already. Okay, at least this analysis still works for maybe can last for 2 to 3 weeks maybe. Yeah. G-Tronics is still ugly. Okay, they filled the gap. Okay, 390 today closing 385. Tak begitu cantik lah. So is speaking about the support, I would say is a 350, 360 already, and resistance 430, 440. Overall G-Tronic tak cantik leh. Okay, tak cantik. If compared, Jetrix has a better chance than G-Tronic. Okay, let them wash down lah. Okay, well chip is still okay. Well chip. Okay, so there has a breakout on 23rd of July. Then neutral on 24th, another pump on 25th, and today attempt breakout 127 not successfully. So you can use a 127 as your R1, 135 R2, and your support 118, 120. Okay. If they break below 118, basically tak cantik already lah. Okay, but you can use a 111 as your another support also can. Okay, T Chong. Tan Chong. Okay, Tan Chong, watch out. Looks like they faces some resistance at 90 cents lah. Okay, indeed they are still bullish. Okay, but what you can see on last Thursday, they have a high volume. Okay, sell down. Okay, or we can say some profit taking activities when the price try to penetrate above 90 cents. Okay, so yeah, this could be some profit taking activities, but if you want a confirmation, maybe we can use a 835 lah. Okay, maybe they will just happen like this. Previously they also has a profit taking activities, tapi they sideway for a couple of days, another pump up. So for current, for this case, maybe we can use a 835, 830 as our support. Stay above, maybe they still got chance to go up lah. But if they break below, sudah tak cantik already. Okay, maybe more on big profit taking activities. Okay, they might retrace further lah if they break below 835 and 825. Okay, breakdown then a bit weak. Okay, and if I zoom out, also can see previously there's a resistor at the 90 cents level. So if you already in earlier, no harm to protect some partial profit protect a bit. Okay, how about the tenaga sudah breakdown. Okay, tenaga Now they already broken down below the 1375. Okay, so today another down lah, to 1336. So where is the support? 13 ringgit and 1250. Okay, wait here lah, 1300, 1250. We see any chance, any rebound signal from there. Okay, how about the Carlsberg? Carlsberg rebounded from 1805 like that lah, Then, but they resisted by 1850. But the overall trend for Carlsberg is weak. Okay, you can see they rebound, no strength, rebound, macam resisted. Okay, a bit weak lah for me. So, yeah, MACD also weak. They need to go above 19 ringgit. They baru ada chance to make a comeback. Okay, how about the AGMO? Okay, AGMO, what we can see on 23rd of July, they have a breakout. But on the next day, profit-taking activities. Okay, they terus makan all the previous day gains and continue to dive down. Okay, and today they break down 515. So for me, short term, a little bit weak. Okay, short term no longer that how to say short term no longer that strong lah. So based on here, okay, unless by tomorrow they can go back above 520, otherwise I'm seeing they might revisit maybe 485 level like that lah. Okay, so Upmore started to retrace. Okay, maybe they will have a deeper retracement. Okay, how about the Pekat? Pekat is still fine based on what I see here. Okay, still okay. Take note 145 as your immediate support. Okay, short term they are still okay as long as above 145. Okay, but if they break below 145, they may retrace down further to 130 level. Okay, how about the UUE? Oh, okay, even though on Friday they have a sell down, but today make a comeback with high volumes. Okay, seems like 780 is supported very well for UUE. Okay, so I think the game is still on for UUE. Okay, still alright. Okay, how about the Cloud Point? Okay, Cloud Point come back to fill the gap. Now sideways. Okay, so take note 750, 745 is your support. Okay, for Cloud Point. If they break down, dah cantik already. Okay, for Cloud PT. And your resistance 770 immediate, then 80 cents, then 830. Okay, R1, R2, R3. Okay, how about the Axiata? Oh, Axiata is still doing well, especially Friday they have a how to say, a big up. Okay, Friday got a big pump up. So far so good lah. Today more on neutral note. I would say today maybe is a small profit taking activities like that. Okay, more on neutral. But so far so good. Okay, just watch out on the immediate resistance. Okay, which is a 280 until 288. CMSB just now covered. Unless they tomorrow make a comeback, otherwise no chance. Okay, Jetrick we covered already. I would say bearish. Okay, I would say bearish. And if you're looking for opportunity, maybe rebound signal or what maybe we wait somewhere around 755 or 70 cents. Okay. Okay, how about the MNG? This was a downtrending counters since last year December. Okay, today got volumes lah. So based on here, if speaking about the chance, yep, due to the volumes. Okay, so maybe short term they have some opportunity lah. Take note on hopefully they don't break 160155 lah. Okay, take note on your immediate resistance which is 190.20 cents level. Okay, maybe they will have a short term bounce up to test a resistance. Okay, KIP. Sorry. Okay, KIP rates. Let me see. KIP. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, because can I have a name? Because oh yeah, got already. KIP Real Estate Investment Trust. Okay. Oh, they has been under 200 MAs for a couple of months. Recently reclaimed above the 200 MAs. So for me, this is good sign lah. Okay, at least they have done the retracement. Okay, if you look into the bigger pictures, this KIP is a long-term uptrend. Only COVID time they have a fearful event only lah, right? So recently you can see this one they just go up only. Then only recently they go sideways and have a deeper correction, but they already come back. Okay, so I would say this counter is still okay lah. Still okay at least. Okay, they recovered above 855, 860. Good sign for them. And take note on your 880, 890, 90 cents is your R1, R2, R3. So far good, so good, no problem. E&O. Tak cantik E&O, I think last week mentioned they already broken down 855. Tak begitu cantik already. So based on here, yeah, high chance they might revisit 80 cents level. Okay, for me, short term no opportunity lah. Still masih weak. Okay, CB fightable lah. Still ada chance due to last Tuesday, Wednesday they have volume pump out. Diam couple of days already. So far so good lah, I would say. Okay, so above 30 cents should be alright. Okay, so your support 320 is your immediate 320, 310. If they go back below 30 cents, no game, no touch and take. Okay, Axiata we covered. We go for VS. Okay, VS also a little bit struggle lah. Touch and take already when they break down 80 cents. Okay, never come back. Okay, now they are at one of the support zone, which is I would say is a 735 lah. Okay, if continue breakdown, they might come back down to fill the gap 60 cents, 660 like that So tentatively, touch and take. Okay, if you still want to put hope, 735 lah, cannot break low. Netgate sideways Okay, so far I think as I mentioned before, Netgate because they due to news they have a deep sell down. Okay, but they managed to recover. Okay, they managed to recover somewhere around 149 lah. Okay, but I do mention for this Netgate take note on 140 level. Okay, so long they didn't break below 140, still okay. Okay, now they are still in the consolidation zone, still in the sideways. So we still don't know what they want to do, but at least 140 is still there. Okay, today trading at 153. So for me, chances is still there as long as they are above 140. Okay, how about the SFP? I need disappointed. SFP already officially break down below 20 cents lah. So unless they come back above, okay, way above 20 cents, then baru ada chance. Otherwise, susah lah. Okay, susah lah. Okay, how about the CTOS? CTOS only sell only Okay, today got high volumes. They have a hammer like candle. Okay, what does it mean? Maybe a potential rebound only lah. Okay, just a rebound. Okay, due to they has a volume, so based on here we can use C lah. And the bottom is 840, 855. Okay, meaning as long as the price above okay, the closing price above 840 still okay. But if the closing price below 840, tak okay. Okay, but just a rebound lah. Okay, what I see, even a rebound maximum to maybe 915 like that or 90 cents level only. Okay, short term rebound ada, tapi won't last long lah. What I see here. Sunlogy let me see HSSBB we cover already. HSSEB we cover already. Okay, Sunlogy is quite a new counters, but at least okay, this counter is still in the uptrending. Okay, despite on 23rd of July, okay, they has a strong sell. Okay, but so far we can see they are trying to defend a 360 level. So you can use a 360 as your immediate support. Okay, this is a Sun Logi lah. Huh? Sun. Okay, let me put in the. Okay, SSB 8 got chance ah. Still okay lah. Okay, they are still in a good shape. Just that they are halfway already lah. Okay, this is what I can say. So maybe you can use a 560 as your immediate support. Stay above. The momentum should be still strong. Okay, and the resistance should be somewhere around 620 already lah. Okay, so this one short-term momentum is still there. Okay, hello. Let me see. Watching. Hello, good evening. Hello, Kelvin. Dialogue. Dialogue. Diam jalan. Okay, dialogue. Your resistance 176, 190. Okay, and the support I will put at the 159. And immediate one would be 165. Okay, this would be because recently the trading range are getting tighter lah. So I would say that's why the support you will see quite close. Okay, 165, 159. Okay, if they go below 159, I think next one would be somewhere around 150 already lah. Okay, but yeah, still okay lah. Still ada chance lah. Okay, how about the Inari? Inari is still in a sideways leh. Okay, but let me see. Okay, speaking about the performance, I would say short term they are okay. Okay, short term performance, they are still okay. Okay, so as long as they are above 190, I would say short term is still okay. But if they break down below 190, susah sikit for Inari. Okay, if happen they can spike out 220, 226, 230 as your R1, R2, R3 lor. Okay, but short term I would say they are building up the momentum. Hopefully, okay, they can sustain above 190 lah. Okay, me is good. Me ada volumes. Okay, so what I can see, me on 23rd, they have a breakout above 2 ringgit. Then retrace 2 days and today another spike. So we can say MI consider BO. Okay, consider breakout above 2 ringgit already. Okay, so momentum is there. Okay, so take note, next resistance 215, 230. Hello, good evening, Patrick. Okay, thank you for your support. Okay, our last 2 sessions. So today I will try to be more detailed as possible. Okay, so today will be more chiong here a bit. Okay, how to say, Gintech we cover already, no chance yet. Okay, Huayang. Okay, these counters are based on what I see here, definitely is in liquid counters lah. So what good about is recently there has volume lah. 23rd, 24th, 25th, and today high volume. Okay, but even though they has a high volume, they also faces some selling pressure lah. A bit seller at 250 pressed down to 240. So based on here, okay, what I would say I don't have interest with discounters, but if you are interested with discounters, okay, we can consider them as a breakout, comeback, retest. Okay, so based on here, probably 225, 230 would be your support lah. Okay, how about the HE group? HE group still okay. Yeah, probably I will put the support down to a 350. Okay, because previous retracement they tested 350 level. Okay, so HE group so long above 350, short-term momentum is still there, and ultimately I will see until 40 cents only lah. So your risk and reward lah, so only low, so only. Jasa we covered already for just now, so we go for beta. Oh, ada breakout, huh? Okay, beta, as we can see, on Thursday, they has a high volumes. Friday, neutral, even though with high volume. But Monday, okay, today they has a breakout above 425. So watch out for beta, okay? 415.425 is a support zone. Stay above, still okay. But yeah, they do have a lot false breakout before lah. Right? So if they go back below 415, back to sideways, no game. Okay, so this time since there has a good breakout with volumes, you take note on the next resistance, 450. Okay, Jayadasa covered, and we go for the EDEL. Okay, EDEL previously there has a short rally lah, I would say. Okay, now more on the retracement mode. So you're speaking about the chances, I would say as long as they are above 280, yes, still a chance. And today price action more on some profit takings, huh? So I prefer wait them come back retest a 280 level. Okay, Agricor. Okay, these counters for me I will definitely skip due to the liquidity and the pattern not so like. But if you're interested, make sure they are above 430 lah, then still okay. And 540, 575 will be your R1, R2. Okay, so how about a UWC? UWC is still in a good shape. Okay, high volume on Wednesday. Oh, I think Wednesday we just mentioned. So these 2 days got go up lah, but the volumes are so only lah. Okay, so for UWC, maybe you need to take note on the 200 MA's resistance. 235 would be your immediate resistance. Okay, so yeah, because previously when they test 200 MA's, they rejected. So this time we also need to cautious a bit at 235. Okay, how about EcoVest? Okay, EcoVest actually on Thursday they macam close at 40 cents even though not close above 40 cents. Okay, and today suddenly mari already straight pump up with high volumes. So for those who bought earlier or they do a breakout trade, okay, now you are at the resistance zone, okay, which is a 440, 460. Okay, currently is your potential resistance already. Okay, let me see. Kenergy still okay lah, this one. Okay, current price also okay. As long as they are above 705, then okay lah. Now market is more on sideways for these Kenergy, but I see the structure is still okay lah. Okay, CATL Hong Kong. Let me find CATL. Oh, okay. Tak ada leh. If you got the code maybe you can give me better, because here I only can see is their call warrant. Okay, not sure. Okay, maybe you can leave the name again. The code the code for Hong Kong, I think we use a code better. Okay, how about the Suncon? Suncon susah a bit. Suncon already broken down below 570. Okay, currently they are like a bit struggle. Okay, Suncon, take note on 5 ringgit. Okay, stay above 5 ringgit. I think they still have a chance lah. But if they go below 5 ringgit a bit susah. Okay, so this is a Suncon. And how about the RL? RL should be no game already. Long time no see. Oh, no game already. This one very disappointed with the performance. Okay, and this subway for so long already, and they just pump out one day, and the second and third day they dump like what? Okay, so ugly. Okay, the whole chart distorted and very ugly already. So RL short term no game lah. Okay, you can see no game. So unless the oil price sudden spike out or what, okay, or maybe global tension, then they baru can come back. YTL Power, neutral lah, not really going anywhere. Okay, recently lah, short term point of view lah. But one thing we can see is the resistance is somewhere around 430. They macam kena resisted by 430 a bit. Okay, but but the movement macam inilah. Sudah jalan, now they want to go sideways. As long as above 4 ringgit I think okay lah, still alright. Okay, just maybe they face some resistance only. Okay, how about Dofu? Dofu also struggle. Also struggle. So for Dofu, take note on 118. Okay, is your immediate support. Okay, breakdown tak cantik lo. Wow, Mitra macam long time no see already. Still survive. Yeah, in liquid. Okay, but if you base on the uptrend channel, they are still within the channel. Okay, at least the price is still working hard to go up. Okay, so for instance, take note 335 as a support lah. Stay above, I think is still alright. Okay, trend point of view, they are also going up. Okay, they are still going up. Okay, the only problem is the lack of liquidity. Okay, just like that only. Okay, Ecovest we covered already, and Upmore just now covered. So I would say Upmore now faces some profit taking activities. So I would say short term they are getting weak. Okay, short term may have some deeper correction down. Okay, but long term the game is still on because they are still above 200 MAs. Okay, macam here lah. Okay, 450. Okay, long term you take note on 450. Stay above is still okay. Okay, but short term I'm expecting. Since they already broke down below 515, I'm expecting they might go back down somewhere around 480. So if those looking for opportunity one, wait for the price come back down low. Okay, maybe 480 there, and your cut loss maybe you can put below 450. Okay, Pavilion REITs. Should be okay lah. This one, no problem Keep on going up only. Okay, this one no issue lah. Okay. The only opportunity is when they come back down to 200 MAs. Okay, currently they are quite far away from 200 MAs. So I think by the time the support will be somewhere around 150 already. Okay, tentatively I see the strong support at 150 lah. So so far so good. Okay, they will only crash down when there are black swan event or global crisis. Okay, otherwise they will be just sideways or uptrend only. Okay, most likely lah. Based on what I see so far, so good lah. Okay, they faces some downtrend back in 2019. 2019 December. Okay, then ngam. Okay, ngam COVID. Then until I think MCO 3.0, 4.0, after that, 2022, they started to recover. Okay, so we can say since end of 2023, the trend come back already. Okay, so 2024 and then now, okay, 1 year plus uptrend already lah. So the trend is still okay lah. Okay, how about this NGB, okay, very illiquid, very downtrend. All important support already broken down. Nothing good leh. This one can skip lah. I think don't waste your time yet lah. Okay, I think they still got room to drop, maybe to 480, 440, 40 cents also possible. Okay, so no hurry. Okay. Okay, next one is AMMB. Let me find. I cannot find. Okay, I assume it's M-Bank lah. I assume it's M-Bank. Oh, M-Bank is still supported. Okay, M-Bank they has been sideways since May until now. Okay, they still haven't decided the direction. Okay, so they are still supported by the 5 ringgit, resisted by 525. So pending to break down or break up for a direction. So at the moment, okay, 10 or 5 ringgit. If they break, maybe they will go to 480 or even lower. Okay, so I think other banks also not doing that well. Maybe the chances for them to come down. The chances for them to come down is there lah. Yeah, despite maybe performance is better, but sentiment is not with you. A bit susah. Yeah, even the Maybank also not doing well. So, but they yet to break down lah. 5 ringgit break down, then confirm most likely. Okay, they are going downtrend lah. Okay, how about the SMRT? Okay, SMRT, I think previous week when I reviewed, I mentioned tak cantik lah. Then Thursday they lagi sell down. Okay, lucky thing. Okay, Friday made a comeback. Okay, Friday they has a volume, break back. Okay, go back above 880, and today go back above 915. Okay, looks like they macam mau like that lah. So still boleh lah. Still boleh. So this one, take note 915 as your immediate support. Okay, stay above should be okay. But they are still below 200 MAs discounters. But at least, okay, if compared with last week, okay, this week looks better. Okay, this week looks better, but not the best case lah. MN Holding should be this one. Yep. Retracement mode loh. Okay, market already overbought a bit. So now most likely they will come back to 150 to 152 level. Okay, which is somewhere around 20 MA level lah. So just a healthy retracement at the moment. Okay, at the moment. Opstar rebounded to fill the gap. Momentum masih ada. Okay, so tenor on the 485 as your immediate support. Let me think what to comment. Okay, so because previously they have a gap down here. Now they come back to fill the gap. Okay, so but when they fill the gap, they macam face some resistance here lah. So now we want to see, okay, whether they can stay above 485. If happen, they can stay above 485, then the chances for them to break above 525 is there, and the chances for them to make a comeback is there. As long as they stay above 485 lah. And the confirmation is for them to break above 525 lor. Okay, breakout, then good lor. Then we may see more upside. Okay, maybe to 565 or 60 cents level. Okay, but if they come back down and go below 485, susah already lah. Tofu just now cover already, so most importantly, 118 cannot break lah. Once break, no chance. Okay, stay above, still ada chance. Kobe as well, I think still okay lah. Kobe boleh tahan, and 118 as well. 120 lah. Kobe 120 cannot break break, no chance. Okay, break tak cantik. Okay, how about the last one? Grilled chicken burger. Still tak cantik lah. Okay, but they yet to break down 110, which is one of the crucial support. 110. Okay, so if they break 110, confirm no game lah. Stay above, still okay. So yep, that's all for tonight's sharing. And yeah, I need your help to maybe go to Sifu page and the review give us some review lah for the Sifu page. Okay, at least we have been doing this for so many years already. At least give us some credit. Okay, looks better for our review lah in Sifu page. And if you yet to follow or subscribe my YouTube, you may subscribe to this one. Okay, EL Stock Trooper. So at least if in future I got do a live session, maybe I will do in my YouTube channel lah. Okay, I see if in future got any sponsor or not lah. If not, then depends on mood already lah. Okay, so and also thank you Sifu for having me here. So today will be our last 2 session already lah. So if you yet to download Sifu apps, need your help to download. Okay, at least show some support to their apps as well. Okay, and for those who need a live interactive live chat, you may subscribe to their service as well. And also you also can screenshot this QR code and scan to join lah. Okay, any updates or any announcement, I will update in the Telegram channel. Okay, so at least everyone will know, get the latest updates. Okay, so today will be our second last session, and this Wednesday would be our last session, okay, last live session with Sifu. So if possible, help me to share around, at least we can get more people to tune in our last session, okay, at least I can earn more likes and share, okay. So thank you everyone, and see you on Wednesday. Thank you.